नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, today we want to discuss the biology introduction and second the importance of biology and the third basic concepts of biology, as well as we will also study the importance of biology, why we study the biology. So first come to biology. The study of life is called biology. The biology consists of two words. Bio and logy. Bio mean living, but logy mean discussion. The discussion about living organism is called called biology. Now come to topic branches of biology. The biology has two branches. The biology has two main branches. Namely, botany and zoology. botany botany study the plants, but zoology study the animal. These branches further divided into other branches such as morphology, ecology, embryology, physiology, etc. Their morphology, when we study the out structure of any animal or living organism, this is called morphology. When we study the inner side of the any animal or living organism, then it is called anatomy. Ecology study the living organism in relationship with the environment is called ecology. But embryology study how the young one come out from the eggs. Physiology study the function of all living organisms. So now you are clear that biology, the study of life, is called biology. The biology consists of two words, bio and logi. Bio mean living, but logi mean discussion. The discussion about living organism is called biology. Branches of biology. The biology has two main branches, namely botany and zoology. Botany study the plants, but zoology study the animal. These branches further divided into others branches such as morphology, ecology, embryology, physiology, etc. Now we want to discuss the importance of biology. Why we study the biology? 3. Importance of biology. Biology nowadays has great demand because it links with all living organisms. Maybe plant or animal. Plants provide food to the nation, but animal provide animal provides meat to the nation, but on the other side it also play great role in export. So these things show that biology has a great scope. And without biology, the survival of life is impossible. So this discussion show that biology nowadays has great demand because it linked with all living organisms, plants or animal. Plants provide food to nation, but animals provide meat to the nation. But on the other side, it also play great role in export. So these things show that biology has a great scope, and without biology, the survival of life is impossible. So now we come to basic concept of biology. Basic concepts of biology. Number 1, cell. Number 2, tissue. Number 3, organ. Number 4, system. Number 5, organism. And number 6, population. These are the basic concept of biology. So now we cover what is cell. It is the basic unit of life. Tissue. Similar tissue when you unite each other, which similar cell when unite each other, it make the tissue. Multiple tissue make the organ. More than 2 organ when some function systematically. It make the system. multiple system make the organism. When organism live in one place, it is called population. So, basic concept of biology, there is a cell, it is the basic unit of life. The basic unit of life is called cell. Second, tissue. Similar cell when unite each other, it make the tissue. Organ. Multiple tissue make the organ. When multiple tissue unite with each other, it make the organ. System. More than two organs when do some function systematically, it make the system, organism. Multiple system make the organism. When multiple systems systematically work and they make the organism. But organism will live in one place, it make the population. Now you are clear, cell is the basic unit of life. Similar cell when unite with each other, they make the tissue, and when tissue unite each other, they make the organ. When more than one organ systematically work, they make the system, and multiple system will combine work, they make the organism, and organism when live in one place, it is called population. Now you are clear. So we have discussed the biology, what is biology, what is the branches of biology, and what is the importance of biology. And there we have also discussed basic concept of the biology. So now you are clear that biology is the study of life. Biology has so many branches, but the major branches are botany and zoology. Botany study the plants and zoology study the animal. There are also other branches, morphology, microbiology, as well as their ecology and their embryology. So these are also the branches of biology. Next, the importance of biology. Biology play a great role in the development of a country because biology link with living organism, and living organism, animal, crops, plants, forests, they play a great role. They provide food to the nation and community and to the world, and without food the survival of life on this earth is impossible. So these things show that biology has great scope. Now come to basic concept of biology. There is cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. When similar cell unite with each other, they make the tissue, and when tissue unite each other, they make the organ, and when more than one organ systematically work, they make the system. But when multiple systems unite with each other and combinedly work, they make the organism, and when organism live in one place, they make the population. Please share this video and subscribe my channel, and because later on other video when we prepare, they will come to you and you will enjoy. Sometime I also deliver the poem, so you will be also listen the poem and you enjoy the life. Therefore I told to you that uh, biology play great role in the development of world, and I request to student to highly focus at biology study, and every farmer, it is necessary for every farmer to know the biology of living organism, because with the help of which they can increase the production. In rural area you have knowledge about the situation, there are crops and some living organism attack on the crops, and these crop control with the help of biologists. So now you are clear. Wassalam.